Hey guys, and welcome to another video here from Binary Bot Real Account. Today is all about day 4 update of our Deriv robot. So funny thing happened on day 4 guys, and I'm going to show you that right now. So heading over to our MetaTrader 5. For day 4 it only made a total of $9, and that is because on this day guys, and this is one of the cool things about a robot, once it hits a 10% target profit, it automatically stops trading. So this $9 was just the last bit to complete that 10%, and it happened on Monday. And I didn't actually get a grasp of this until further down in the day, in the evening, that I realized that we were at our target profit. So what I went ahead and did was, seeing that it successfully made that 10%, I went ahead and got it started for day 5. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what happened between day 4 and day 5, which is today, and the total amount that accumulated between those 2 days, if that makes sense. Alright, so right now we're just going to move from the 21st. We're going to add the 21st and 22nd into that, and right now we made a total of $137 between yesterday and today. So that is between the 21st and the 22nd. So this has been running successfully for an entire trading week thus far. Like I said, it's a very powerful robot here provided by Binary Bot Real Account. If you guys want a copy of this, go ahead and reach out. And just to keep following along with our daily updates and just follow along with our robot progress, you can go ahead and just hit the like button on this video. It really helps the channel out a lot, and it also helps the video to actually be seen by more viewers like yourself who are interested in this type of stuff, you know. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button guys, and that like button. Alright, just support the channel, we really appreciate it. But yeah guys, so far so good, and I can go back. We started this all the way from day 18, so let's go through the days like I usually do. So let's go to Friday there that we started on the 18th there. So day 1 it was $108 there in profit. We closed off that day, right? And day 2, which was Saturday, we closed it off with $202, right, in profit right there. Let's see, that's yeah, $202 dollars in profit. And day 3, let's see what day 3 was like. $187 in profit there on day 3. And day 4, let's see what day 4 was like. Like I said, it was only $9 and $6. Did we do that right? Let's check. 21st there. Oh yeah, so it was actually $6 there apparently on the 21st. Let's make sure that is correct. Let's go along with it. Yeah. So it was $6.35 there on day 4, and on 22nd it's $132. Alright, so not bad guys. This has been running for 5 days straight. 2 more days and it's an entire week. But let's go ahead and just check the total amount we've made from the 18th, which is Friday, to the 22nd. Alright, let's see what that says. Alright, so right now guys, this is reflecting a staggering amount of $651 guys in profit. Alright, total profit guys, alright, in 5 days. Okay, so it's almost safe to assume that by day 7, 8 there we'll be looking at $1,000 in profit. Powerful robot guys. So like I said, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe. If you enjoy these updates and progress reports of our robot guys, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button already. Jeez. Until next time, stay tuned. Send me a message on Telegram if you want to get your copy of this robot. I'm out.